dry and weary, heart so frail, longing for a spiritual gale to sweep through me, make me whole, restore the fervor in my soul. Show me mercy, Lord, I pray, guide my footsteps on your way. Pour your spirit into me, a love for you eternally. Fill this emptiness inside with your presence, Lord, abide. Open my heart to receive all the love you have to give. The world's distractions cloud my sight, temptations dim